The Taliban is calling the shots and the puppeteering Imran Khan. Now the Pakistan Prime Minister is outrageously declaring that there is nothing terrorist-like about the Taliban. Imran Khan has become the official spokesperson of the Taliban. Let's debate.
It is official. Pakistan has an alliance with the Taliban, and now Imran Khan has admitted it. In an interview, he said, Taliban are not some military outfits. They are normal civilians. Pakistan's official pro-Taliban declaration comes at a time when 2 IEDs were placed by Taliban terrorists on public pathways to kill innocent civilians, real civilians. This statement comes at a time when the US Secretary of State Antony Blinken has said Afghanistan would become a pariah state if the Taliban takes control by force.
Ultimately, an Afghanistan that does not respect the rights of its people, an Afghanistan that commits atrocities against its own people, would become a pariah state.
And India's External Affairs Minister in Parliament today has made its position clean against the Taliban tactics of violence in Afghanistan.
We were very clear that there must be a negotiated political settlement in Afghanistan, that there cannot be a military solution, there cannot be a takeover by use of force in Afghanistan, that we will work with the international community to ensure that negotiations, political negotiations for a settlement are pursued seriously, and we would never accept any outcome which is decided by force.
Pakistan has always bred snakes in its own backyard. And now as the Taliban-Pakistan relationship becomes official, the terror nation is staring at global isolation. Imran Khan and his Taliban masters will have to pay. Let's debate.
Gaurav Arya, I think Imran Khan has been spending too much time with these unfit Pakistani army people. He says that Taliban are just normal, innocent, simple, what else did he say? Peace-loving civilians. He actually said that. Normal, simple, peace-loving civilians. What is he smoking these days, Gaurav? Has he started smoking something again? I thought he had given up for a while. I think they sent him to some... They were trying to send him to some detox camp. I think he's got back to his old habits.
Absolutely. Arnab, whatever he's smoking, I think many people want that. Because it sends him to some sort of la-la land. I mean, this man was known as Taliban Khan, Arnab.
Yeah.
Pakistanis know him as Taliban Khan. And Imran Khan today says that the Taliban are nothing but normal citizens. I don't know what this man... See, after 2 days, somebody in Pakistan will say that he did not mean that, he meant something else. You know, a prime minister should not have to speak words that he has to take back after 48 hours or 24 hours. I mean, this is very shameful, Arnab. I don't even know what to say. You're asking me this question, and for the first time, perhaps I don't have an answer, because this is very shameful.
So,
you know, it is a
so let me then ask Hamid. Hamid,
yeah.
On the 20th of July, you know, some normal, simple, peace-loving civilians launched rockets during the Eid prayers. During the prayers for Eid, right? These normal, simple, peace-loving civilians launched rockets which could have killed these people. Do you know any other normal, simple, peace-loving civilians who do things like this?
Thank you, Arnab. Do you know that Taliban did not take the responsibility of that, what happened on the Eid day, and Taliban denied any involvement in it? and then it makes the case so strong that there are some third elements who are trying to create a civil war situation in Afghanistan. There are some elements who does not want the peace. And obviously the biggest element who does not want the peace in Afghanistan is India, because India is losing too much if there is a peace in Afghanistan. India feels like its investment goes vain, which if it comes the peace in Afghanistan. Afghanistan peace is only in favor of Pakistan, but peace in Afghanistan is not in the favor of India. That's why India is trying to create a chaotic
and the Taliban are the what?
A civil war
Is Tuhin there?
in Afghanistan. I am trying to explain that.
No, Tuhin. I want to bring Tuhin Sinha in. Just a minute, Hamid Khan. Hamid Khan with the Pakistani perspective. 1 minute, Gaurav, let's get Tuhin also in. Let's get Tuhin also in. Let's get Tuhin also in. No, you won't be able to reply if I ask a question. And yes, you don't know Tuhin Sinha.
Arnab, fact is that
he's going to destroy whatever you are going to say.
Pakistan today is an embarrassment to the civilized world. Let's put it very simply. Pakistan is an embarrassment to the civilized world today, and contributing to the embarrassment is an Oxford-educated, pro-terrorist Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan. Forget what he said about Taliban today. He has called Osama bin Laden a martyr. He has defended Hafiz Saeed and instead blamed RAW for the bomb blast which recently took place in Lahore. But when it comes to the massacre of Uyghurs in China, he goes silent. He does not have the courage to take on China. So this is the reality. The subservient country that Pakistan today is to its colonial master China will go all out to defend terrorists, but will go mum when it comes to Uyghurs. That is the reality. Now, it's a fact that Taliban was created by Pakistan. So to expect them to do away, to distance themselves with Taliban is expecting a little too much. So whatever be the leadership of Pakistan, it's very unfortunate, like I mentioned at the very start, that an Oxford-educated Prime Minister of Pakistan this time is more retrograde, is more radicalized, is more pro-terrorist than many of the previous Prime Ministers that Pakistan has seen.
No, Major Yasir Janjua.
I just want to say one thing.
Tuhin, Major Yasir Janjua is also there. Is also there. Just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Just a minute. Hamid Khan, I'll tell you where you are making a mistake. Do you remember? These people spare nobody. They don't spare even school-going children. And I am telling you, out of concern for you, you don't know what you are doing. You're going to be finished. The Taliban will not spare anyone. You don't know the Taliban. You know Major Janjua. Remember they attacked a school near Kabul, in Kabul, I think.
That's a problem.
And in that attack outside a school, now they will get nervous when I speak, Gaurav. Now because I'm going to really destroy them. See, this is the problem. You see, if there are any Pakistanis watching this tonight, you see how scared your fellow Pakistanis are. अरे आपके भले के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, आपके अच्छे के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, आप जरा सुन लीजिए.
I mean, Arnab, if you want, we have to come to this conclusion.
क्या है conclusion?
Arnab,
you listen to me. Major Janjua, आपको आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me?
Taliban and they
Major Janjua, can you hear me?
Why are you?
No, Major Janjua. Major Janjua, I want to ask you. Mr. Major Janjua, 1 minute. You have got this American citizen, who is a complete comedian. There is an American citizen who is a complete comedian, who you have made your national security advisor. You ask him, go tell him that I went on Arnab's show on Republic and he called you a comedian and he asked a question that do you call the Taliban a terrorist group or not? And then if that comedian tells you, if that comedian asks you that why did Arnab call the Taliban a terrorist group, you tell him that because the Taliban targeted a school in Kabul, and in the attack outside the school, 68 people died and 165 people were injured.
And Imran Khan had not uttered a word against that. If I am correct, Imran Khan had not uttered a word against that killing of children in 2014. Correct me if I'm wrong, Arnab. I don't think Imran Khan had even condemned that incident.
Have you condemned the
Major
massacre
Chandra,
of
did he?
Gujarat by your Prime Minister? First, go and condemn the Prime Minister of your own country for killing in Gujarat.
That is the falsehood you exist in, and that is why I say Pakistan is a country born out of falsehood. The entire two-nation theory was a
First, go and condemn your own people for Samjhauta Express, then come and talk to us.
You can't blame my
First
Prime Minister
condemn your own people killing people in
Gujarat
Kashmir and then come to us.
You can't blame my Prime
What are you
Minister.
talking
We have
about?
a strong judicial
You are killing your
system
own
unlike
people and
Pakistan.
you're telling us that we have not condemned them.
And the
And
judiciary
if
has a
Taliban are
goal.
so bad, why are you talking to them?
No,
Why
you
are
guys
you talking
have-
to the Taliban then?
You guys have...
Why did you go for negotiations?
Major Janjua,
A basic
Major Janjua.
communication was established. It is because of the to ensure the safety of Indians living there. We don't
First, tell him
engage
to be
with
quiet. If
with
you want to
terrorists.
listen to me, tell him to be quiet.
Can I reply?
First, tell him to be quiet. If you want to listen to me, if you are
Major
addressing me,
Janjua, why are you
Arnab,
getting
tell
worked
him to
up?
be
I'm
quiet
only
first.
asking questions.
And I'm only
Yeah,
answering.
that's all right. You don't
I'm
decide
only
who I'll
telling
tell
you
to be quiet.
You talked
First
about
of all,
our national security advisor.
No, no,
and
I'm
I
telling
told
you.
your
I'm
national
asking you
security
to. I'm
advisor,
asking you.
he is the biggest cartoon
Major
on earth.
Janjua,
You must
Major
remember
Janjua and
that.
Gaurav. Major Janjua, I'll tell you who a coward is. Just you remember. You be quiet and I'll explain this to you. A coward is a person who, when asked that, what do you think of Osama bin Laden, says he was a martyr. And you know who that coward is? That coward is a man called Shah Mahmood Qureshi, who's your foreign minister. He was asked this very question and he said, I will let that pass.
You are twisting the word.
You
and
don't
this
understand.
lie cannot fly. You can only go and tell your
I'm not
Indian
twisting
audience
anything.
all these lies.
I'm not twisting anything.
Yes, you are twisting. You are
I'm
twisting
telling.
the
I'm not
word
telling. I'll
are
ask you.
scared.
I'll tell you the question the Indian audience wants me to ask you. I'll tell you the question the Indian audience, Gaurav, wants me to ask you. But Janjua ji जरा चुप हो जाइए, नहीं तो 1971 के बारे में कुछ पूछ लूंगा, फिर आप भाग जाएंगे प्रोग्राम से.
जी मैं 1971
आप please be quiet, otherwise I'll pull out my 1971 question and you'll naturally run away from my program.
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का इंटरव्यू पढ़ें. उन्होंने क्या कहा
1971 के बारे में पूछ लूंगा. Then anyway, okay, here's my question to you. Now, Janjua ji, listen to me. I'll ask a question. Be decent. Be decent. Even if you are Pakistani, be decent. अच्छा Janjua जी ठीक है, बाद में बताइए, ठीक है? बाद में बताइए. मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ 2012 में अरे भाई रुक जाए, मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में पूछूंगा. शांत हो जाइए. 2012 में एक अटैक हुआ था and Gaurav Arya, the whole country, all of India wants to know that in 2012, when 141 people were killed, 132 Pakistani children were killed. 132 Pakistani children were killed.
By India.
Did the Taliban kill them or not?
Indian conspiracy.
Did the Taliban kill
India-
132 Pakistani children or not?
No, the
Have you
Taliban
forgotten
did
that?
not kill them.
Have you forgotten
It
that?
was the
Taliban did
Indians
not kill
involved
them.
in
You
it.
spineless
It was
people.
established
Indian raw
that
who
in the
killed them.
APS attack, it was the
132
Indians who were
Pakistani
involved.
children were
And you
killed by the
shameless
Taliban,
people,
and you are joining hands with them? You
are the one who
invertebrates?
kills children, and then
You
are
invertebrates?
You are shameless. You are
And you're
shameless.
joining hands in an alliance with them?
You have no.
You sealed your own
no
future.
values,
Gaurav will
you have no
respond to you.
ethics.
Really.
You kill children. You kill children for your nefarious
Prime Minister
designs.
did
You
not-
are
He
shameless.
sold your own people?
Today
You come and
only
fight with us.
corroborates what I said right at the
Come and
very
fight with
start.
us. We will show you what we showed you. I hope you have not forgotten 2019.
Arnab, I just want
Gaurav.
to remind Janjua one thing. Arnab, Janjua, listen to me. Major Janjua, listen to me here. I don't know if any Pakistani officer looks like you. I don't think you were in the Pakistani army. You look very unfit. You're like 50 kgs overweight, number one. Stop saying Raw did it.
No personal
It is
question.
your snakes that you have bred in your own background.
Whether I am 50
No,
kg
I'm just telling you.
overweight or
I'm just
not,
telling you. He keeps on saying Raw,
come
Raw,
and have
Raw.
a bout
What
with
do you
me
mean
today,
Raw? Of course
and
you're
I will
overweight.
sort
Look
you
at you.
out.
Look at you. Are you mad? Are you mad? I won't touch a Pakistani with a barge pole. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You are. See, don't say all this. You are fat.
Oh, listen.
You are unfit. You look like a halwa here. You don't even. You don't even look like. You don't even look
Come
like.
on, now, Gaurav, no personal comments. You go straight for the issue.
Double chin, triple chin. Yeah. Kaisa aadmi hai ye? He says, look, he's from the army. Look at him.
You have no
Please, yeah,
argument
please.
Please.
No. I'll tell you. Okay.
Did the Taliban kill 132 Pakistani children in 2012? Gaurav, ask him. Ask him that question. Ask him. Ask him the question again and again.
Listen to me. Janjua, listen to me. I'll ask Janjua. Okay, answer my question. I'll answer my question. Hamid Khan, keep quiet. I'll ask Janjua. Janjua, answer my question. My NSA is an Indian. Is your NSA a Pakistani?
And we have got audio tapes.
Is your NSA a Pakistani? Is your NSA a Pakistani?
And then you have
Is your NSA a Pakistani? Is your NSA a Pakistani? Is your NSA a Pakistani?
Yes,
My NSA is an Indian. Is your NSA a Pakistani?
Yes.
Is your NSA a Pakistani? Is Mohit Yusuf a Pakistani?
He's not from Mars.
He's got an American green card. What are you saying?
So what?
What are you saying?
I mean, you're Ajit Doval.
Mohit Yusuf has got a green card.
Meets with
CIA के पैसे
Taliban.
लेता है. अरे छोड़ो यार. You are not fit to.
Then you're Ajit Doval meets with Taliban, and then you say it is happening good. When Taliban kicks you out, when Taliban kicks your ass, then you say that Taliban is bad. When you want to talk to Taliban, that was
Listen, Janjua.
Fear of fighting.
You're not fat and useless here.
I am just trying to say
You are 13 kgs overweight.
when Taliban are not talking to you,
Whenever
they
you
are
come on
bad.
Indian television.
Well, I've told you, I've warned you, I've told you about your fate, and in case you don't pull back, let me tell you, you resign to your fate. And ladies and gentlemen, that's all the time I have for tonight, and I shall see you tomorrow from the studio, from the start this time. Till then, good night and goodbye.